Hi kids, how are you? I hope you are all safe. As before going to the topic, you should do the warm-up exercise. Be ready, student? Everyone stand, jump, stop, 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 jump, stop. Okay, children, sit in your place. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Okay, children, coming to the point. Children, open your workbooks and homework bookmark. Revision. Chapter number 5. Subtraction. See? Recall. Multiple choice question. The difference between 45 and 5 is. What is difference means what? We should do the minus as 45 minus 5. You should write ones place or 5 tens place. Single digit is ones place. S. Yeah. 5 minus 5. 0. 4. Any number is there? No. That 4 you should write like that only. What is that answer? The difference between 45 and 5 is 40. Understood? What is that option? Option D is correct answer. Understood, children? Next. They given some x. S. You should minus this to this. Starting, how many x are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17x minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. 17 minus 17. 7 minus 7, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. What is the answer? 0 is the answer. Where it is? Option C. Understood? Next, third one. The difference between 11 and 11. 11 minus 11. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. What is the difference between 11 and 11? 0. Where it is? C. Option C. Next. Multiple choice question. While subtracting, we always begin from the dash place. Which place you will subtract from? Ones place. S. Where it is? D. See? Here. This is ones place, this is tens place. This is ones place, this is tens place. This is ones place, this is tens place. Always you should subtract from ones place only. S. Yeah. Next. Write the missing number. See? What is that? 35 minus 17 is equal to, here one number is missing. Which number will come? 2, 3, 0 or 1. See? 35 minus 7. In the 5, 7 will go? No. What you have to do? You should take borrow from here. Here 15, here 2. In the 15, 7 will go? Yes, it will go. 8. S. 15 minus 7, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 is missing. S. Where it is option? Option D. Understood? Find the missing number in the following. See the given sum. S. 441, 111. S. Ones, tens, hundreds. S. See. Here they given the answer. Here they given the answer. Here didn't give the answer. 1 minus 1. 0. What is that number is missing? 0. Option D. Sixth one. Next. While subtracting the digit in the ones place, we write its different in the dash place. In ones place, if you do means in which place you will write? Tens place you will write or hundreds place or ones place? Ones place only. Yes. Seventh one. Next. Eighth one. 110 is equal to dash ones. 110 is equal to dash ones. 10 ones. Yes, how many ones will come? 110. 10 ones. Yes. When we subtract 1 from the number, we get the number that is dash it before it. Yes or no? See here. 15 minus 1. Before number will come 14. 18 minus 1. 17. 20 minus 1. 19. Before number will come. As 100 minus 1. 99. Before number. 99 after 100 will come. Before number will come. If you minus 1, any number. If you minus 1, we will get before number. Yes or no, children? Before. 10th one. What is zero property of subtraction? When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. Yes or no? When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. Compulsory should learn this. Okay? When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. Yes or no, children? See, 10 minus 0, 10. 99 minus 0, 99. 8 minus 0, 8. 11 minus 0, 11. 15 minus 0, 15. See, if you did subtract from 0, number itself only. Yes. Next, 11th one. Subtract 27 minus 27. 27 minus 27. What is that number will come? 0. Yes. 27 minus 27. 0, 0. What is that answer? 0 is the answer. 12th one. Subtract 46 minus 1. 46 minus 1. Ones place only should write 1 because only single digit number. 6 minus 1, 5. This 4 like that only. What is that answer? 45 is the answer. Understood, children? Next, 13th one. Subtract 26 from 73. 26 from 73 you should do. In 73 you should minus 26. Understood, children? Practice ma. You should practice well. Revision this is. See, subtract. What you have to do? Subtract 26 from 73. 13th one. See, 73 ones place, tens place, minus 26. In the 3, 6 will go? No, you should take borrow from here. Here 13, here 6. In the 13, 6 will go? Yes, it will go. How many number? Which number? See, in the 13, 6 should minus. 7 will come. Yes, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 47 is the answer. Understood? Next, B1. What is that? 235 from 589. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Always you should write like this. 589 minus 235. 9 minus 5. In the 9, 5 should minus. Yes. 5 minus 9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. You know na what I am doing here? See, in the 9, I cutted 5. Remaining how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I wrote. Here 8. Yes. In this 8, I cutted 3. Remaining how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I write here. Here 5. You should take 5. 2 fingers you should cut. Remaining 1, 2, 3. That one I wrote here. Understood, children? Next. Next, what is that 14th one? Solve. You should solve these problems. Okay? See? 46 minus 28. Ones place, tens place. 46 minus 28. See? In the 6, 8 will go? No. What you have to do? You should take borrow from here. 16. Here 3. 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8. 8. 3 minus 2. 1. Understood? You know now how to do. Next. B1. See, in the 2, 9 will go? No. You should take borrow from here. 12. Here 7. 12 minus 9. 3. 7 minus 1. 6. 3 minus 1. 2. What is that answer? 263 is the answer. Okay. Practice. You should practice well. Understood, children? Next. Applications. Very short answer questions. See word problems. See, children, there are 50 cones in a jar. 30 cones were removed. How many cones are left in a jar? See, there are 50 cones. S minus 30 cones is equal to 50 minus 30. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. What is that answer? 20 cones are remain. S. Next, short answer questions. There are 420 sticks in a one box and 356 sticks in a another box. How many fewer sticks does the second box have? See, there are 420 sticks in a one box. Okay. Another box, 256 sticks are there. Okay. How many fewer sticks does the second box have? You should find. 16th one. Solution. Number of sticks in the first box is equal to 420. Number of sticks in the second box. How many? 256. Okay. The difference in the number of sticks is equal to 420 minus 256. What you have to do? Should do minus columns. First you should draw the column. Ones, tens, hundreds. 420 minus 256. See, in the 0, 6 will go? No. You should borrow from here. 10. In the 10, 6 will go? Yes, it will go. 10 minus 6, 4. Here 1. In the 1, 5 will go? No, you should take borrow from here. 11. 11 minus 5, 6. Here 3. In the 3, 2 will go? Yes, it will go. 3 minus 2, 1. What is that answer? 164 is the answer. So, the number of fewer sticks in the second box is 164. Understood? Write fast. Practice. Next, 17th one. Already I did 2 times this. Yes, because of exams. Yes, already I did. This is 3rd time. Okay. Next, what is that question? A tailor had 854 dresses to stitch, out of which he stitched 243 dresses. How many dresses remain to be stitched? See, the tailor had 854 dresses to stitch, ma. Okay, out of which he stitched 243 dresses. How many dresses remain to be stitched? See, number of dresses to be stitched. How many? 854. Number of dresses stitched is equal to 243. the number of dresses to be stitched is equal to 854 minus 243. See, ones, tens, hundreds. 854 minus 243. In the 4, 3 should minus 1. 5, 4 should minus 1. In the 8, 2 should minus 6. What is that answer? 611. Yes. So, the number of dresses remaining to be stitched is 611. Practice, children. These all you should practice. Okay. Next, higher order thinking skills. See, there were 123 ants in an anthill, out of which 112 ants went out in search of food. How many ants were remaining in the anthill? See, 123 ants in the anthill. Okay. Out of went for food search. How many? 112. Remaining how many are there? We should find. Okay. In an anthill, how many ants are there? 123. See? 18th one. Number of ants in the anthill. How many? 123. Number of ants that went in search of food. How many went? 112. Okay. What you have to find? Number of ants remaining in the anthill is equal to 123 minus 112. Ones, tens, hundreds. 123 minus 112. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 11 ants remain. Okay. So, 11 ants remaining in the anthill. Understood? You should practice well, ma. Tomorrow I will do 5.2. Okay?